When your head is pounding like a jackhammer, your nose is running like Niagara Falls, and even your favorite foods start to taste like cardboard, you do almost anything to get rid of your cold. Before you resort to pouring yourself a tall glass of bleach to get rid of your symptoms, there are some better, non crazy ways to cure your cold. 1. Get some sleep. The body can do miraculous things when we let it rest. We often catch a cold when we're feeling run down or even exhausted. Sometimes, just getting some extra rest is all you need to help the immune system do its dirty work of cleaning out nasty viruses and foreign bacteria from the body. Just one day of extra rest can boost the immune system. 2. Hydrate. Water taken generously, even when you are not ill, helps the body to flush toxins out. And it is even more important to stay hydrated when you are sick. If you add some lemon and honey to your water and warm it, this can also help to loosen phlegm and reduce congestion. 3. Rely on nature's herbal helpers like ginger, garlic, oregano oil, astragalus root, olive leaf, and calendula. These are natural antivirals which support the body as adaptogens. Add some turmeric, an organic coconut oil, natural antibacterials to your diet, and your cold hasn't got a chance. Follow these simple cold remedies, and you won't need to flush your nose and throat like a cleaning lady wielding a toilet brush and caustic chemical cleaners. No desperate acts required. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family.